सो वेलकम बैक टू अनदर डेली स्ट्राइक चैप्टर एंड आज है 26 दिसंबर और बड़े एक्साइटमेंट के साथ इसको ख़त्म करते हैं। अरे वाह, मेरी गिंजी दिख रही है। एक्चुअली मैं जिम जाने वाला था एंड आई गॉट इनटू फाइंडिंग समथिंग। मेरा आईडी कार्ड नहीं मिल रहा है। मेरे पास फ़ोटो भी नहीं है उसकी, दैट्स द बिगर प्रॉब्लम। एंड मेरे को पापा को भेजनी है, मिली नहीं, क्या करें। एंड 8 बज चुके हैं। So let's do the daily strike chapter right now. Life is long if you know how to use it. It's not at all that we have too short of time to live, but that we squander a great deal of it. Life is long enough and it's given in sufficient measure to do many great things if we spend it well. But when it's poured down the drain of luxury and neglect, when it's employed to no good end, we are finally driven to see that it has passed by before even recognize it was passing. And so it is. We don't receive a soft life. We don't receive a short life. We make it so. Seneca on Brevity of Life 1.3/4a. No one how long they have to live, but sadly, we can be sure of one thing. We'll waste far too much of a life, waste it sitting around, waste it chasing the wrong things, waste it by refusing to take the time to ask yourself what actually important to us. Far too often we are like the overconfident academics that Petrarch criticized in his Insanely in caring for things outside of them, seek themselves yet they have no idea this is what they are doing. So if you find yourself rushing and uttering words, I just don't have enough time, stop taking a sign, it's actually true. Or you have just committed to a lot of unnecessary things. You have actually been efficient. You have assumed a great deal of waste into your life. The average American spend nothing like 40 hours a year in traffic. 40 hours a year. That's month over the course of a life. And for traffic you can substitute so many activities, from fighting with others to watching television to daydreaming. Your life is plenty long, just use it properly. So I have realized it कुछ महीनों से कि you have to use your life efficiently. Since I started YouTubing, तो उससे मेरे को समझ आया कि ना, there are very small bits of time that you are supposed to use and utilize in the best possible way, and उसी से ही productivity आती है, उसी से ही सारी चीजें होती है. I really have a bad hair day. इच्छा तो कर रही है अभी धो लूँ मैं इनको, तो अभी धोऊंगा मैं इनको और फिर मैं महज जाऊंगा. बहुत इरिटेटिंग हो रही है. If you deeply sense your every second that you have spent the whole day, you will recognize कि कुछ चीजें थी जहाँ पे है ना तुम और अच्छा कर सकते थे, लिटरली और अच्छा कर सकते थे. कहाँ पे तुमने कुछ समय गुजार दिया, कहाँ पे तुम्हारा समय निकल गया. Until unless आपको पता ही नहीं कि आपका समय निकला है, there is no use. So the important thing is to recognize कि आपका समय निकल चुका है. Once you know निकल चुका है, now you really need to make the most of it, what's coming. So to be honest, मैंने क्या उखाड़ लिया मेरे को पता होते हुए भी. Do I have the list right now? Let me see through it. I created a list of all the things that I am supposed to do, that I would really love to do. This is a big list of things that I really want to do. I hope तुम्हें नहीं दिख रही हो. तो इसमें कुछ 25-26 चीजें होंगी जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ और उनके लिए मैं समय नहीं निकाल पा रहा. तो अब मैं इसको रखूंगा बाहर और इसको रखूंगा घुमा के ऊपर. इसको रखेंगे बाहर क्योंकि अपन को ये चीजें करना पसंद है और ये अपन चीज करेंगे. सो लेट्स डू इट. बाल धोते हैं, फिर मैच जाते हैं. इट वॉज अ काइंड ऑफ अ टफ डे. डा का एग्जाम था, जैसे तैसे कर दिया है. होप अच्छे नंबर आ जाए, मेहनत तो की थी.